Feeling overwhelmed by clutter? Decluttering is a crucial step in the downsizing process, and it can be a liberating experience. Let's explore a step-by-step guide to help you declutter effectively and create a more organized, stress-free living space. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty. Today, I'm sharing the practical guide to help you declutter effectively. Let's discover how you can simplify your space and make downsizing a smoother process. Start small and set goals. Begin with a small area, such as a closet or a drawer, to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Set clear goals for each decluttering session, whether it's reducing items by half or organizing a specific space. Celebrate small victories to stay motivated. Sort items into categories. Use the 4-box method to sort items into categories. Keep, donate, sell, and trash. This method helps you make decisions quickly and efficiently, but be honest with yourself about what you truly need and use. And focus on sentimental items last. Sentimental items can be the most challenging to declutter. Save them for last and considering keeping only those that hold significant meaning. Take photos of items that you want to remember but don't have the space for. And create a decluttering schedule. Establish a regular decluttering schedule to maintain progress. Dedicate a specific time each week to tackle different areas of your home. Consistency is key to achieving long-term results. And involve your family members and friends to help make the process more enjoyable and efficient. They can offer support, encouragement, and a fresh perspective on what to keep or let go of. Decluttering is an emotional step towards a more organized and stress-free life. By following this step-by-step guide, you can simplify your space and make downsizing a positive experience. If you're ready to start decluttering and need some guidance, I'm here to help. Call me at 763-257-7231 or send me an email at julie@vikingshomes.com. Let's work together to create a clutter-free, comfortable living environment. Remember, decluttering is not just about letting go. It's about making room for what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to supporting you on your decluttering journey.